completed all of your edits that you want to complete. You've completed your designs, and now you're ready to either print them, email them, or you might even want to save them so you can cut them out with your Cricut. I'm going to walk you through how to save these files either as a PDF, a PNG, a JPEG, and then I'm going to share just some little tips and tricks that I like to use when printing my classroom resources. So the first thing I'm going to show you is how to save a file as a PDF. Now this is going to be great for printing pretty much anything, and also if you want to email something. So let's say you are using the classroom newsletters or the Meet the Teacher template or the open house kit, and you want to save everything as a PDF so you can email it to your parents. This is how you're going to do that. Now there is no, normally if you go to File and Save, that is how you save something, right? Well, in Canva, it just saves it to your account. You need to actually go up to the word share, and that means pretty much export. There's all sorts of different things that you are going to be seeing, but all you're going to do is go to download. When you go to download, you're going to go to select the file type. Now, PNG is just an image. A JPEG is just another image. And then we're going to be looking at PDF standard and PDF print. I always do PDF print or PDF standard. So let's go to PDF print because we are going to print these for our classroom. Crop, marks, and bleed. So if you are going to be trimming it, then this is going to just put like some little marks at the end so you can cut off that the white border. Flatten, you don't need to worry about this. This is going to flatten everything to one single image. It may increase the file size. You definitely don't want to get into the habit of flattening them if you are emailing newsletters, because a lot of times in newsletters, you will have a link to something. If you flatten it, the link goes away, so they can't click anything. So it takes all the links and everything away. I just always leave this blank. So PDF print, leave it all blank. Choose the pages that you want to print. A lot of times, people don't want to print the title page or the instruction pages. So you're just going to choose the ones that you want to print. You can select it like this, or you can erase it and say, I just want to print 6 through 13. So you can go 6-13. RGB, that's best for, digital use. And then this is best for printing. If you hear my dog in the background, I had to put her in her crate because she wouldn't let me video. So that's what that is, and I apologize. And then save download settings. You can just leave that clicked. Then you're going to click download. Your file will download as a PDF. You can either email your PDF, or you can open it up and you can just click print. The next thing I want to show you is how to save it as a PNG or a JPEG. And it's literally the same exact way. You're going to go up to share again, go up to download. This time you're going to change it to either JPEG, PNG. If you have the Pro account, the Pro features, you can save it as an SVG. I've never actually done that, so you could try it. I always just save it as one of these and upload it into Cricut Design Space. So I always do PNG. If you have like one single piece of clip art, you might want to do a transparent background, but I always just click it in my Cricut Design Space. Now, I don't have any tips for silhouette or anything like that. I've never used one, so sorry, but I'm sure you can figure it out. And then you're going to choose whatever it is you want to save, and then you're going to click download. Same exact thing. And then the next thing I want to show you or to talk about is printing on what kind of paper. Everybody always asks me this. Do you print on regular paper and laminate? No, I don't. That's way too much work. Just print it on cardstock. Unless it's something like the date flip cards that you're going to be handling a lot, or the calendar pieces, just print it on cardstock. I maybe would laminate your calendar pieces and your flip calendar, everything else. Just print it on cardstock. An additional tip, when you are printing, always make sure you preview your file before you click print, just to make sure everything's looking good. That way you don't waste ink or waste paper. And again, printing on cardstock is a game changer for durability. I also want to let you know, I don't do tutorial videos usually, but I wanted to make sure you guys felt comfortable with these resources. So I'm going to put a link to my email below. That way, if there's something and you're completely confused still and you need me to make some more videos, I can. I'm happy to do so. I want you to feel confident and comfortable, and I want these resources truly to work for you in your classroom. So let me know. Click the email below so you can send me a message and let me know what you need help with, and I'm happy to do that for you. Please, again, let me know what questions you have. I'm only an email away.